TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, this is Basil Chapman, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, usually at noon till 1 p.m. each market day, and also the author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter. It's my pleasure to be here for the 9 a.m. update here at TFNN, Eastern Time, that is. And we're looking at the dollar holding up. It's up 13 cents right now, and this is with all the Fed speak. You've got the Dow, which closed yesterday at 26,252, with the futures down 100. You've got the S&P. Everything was up quite sharply, in fact, throughout the night, right up until a little while ago. Little Fed speak going on there. 29.22 was the close on the S&P yesterday. The futures are down 11. The QQQ, the NDX 100, closed yesterday at 188.02. They're down over $1 at 186.85. I think that there's something going on here. It's not going to be easy for the Fed. They're not going to please anybody, but that's their job, is just to do what they have to do. They haven't been doing it for a while. Under the table, they're doing other things. So the gold is up $3.6 at 15.12, stuck in this range between 15.46 and 14.89, just right in the middle of the range. If gold breaks above 15.50, that means something. That's currency of fear. Gold is going to be in play, but I think it's just stuck for right now. It's had a spectacular move. Just needs a breather. You've got crude oil down sharply. If crude oil is down $1.50 at 53.84, it's just broken its key support level. That's kind of important. And bonds, you're looking at bonds right now down 9/30 seconds, also pulling back. So in fact, it looks like the yields on price, not what the Fed says, but on price, the yields are bouncing a little bit. The TBT might be the one to watch right here. It's trading at 24.69. If the TBT inversion of the TLT starts to break above 25 by Tuesday of next week, bonds are actually going to have quite a bit of a pullback, and yields are going to go higher. So putting the whole thing together, just watch very closely if by about early afternoon, by between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock Eastern Time, if the Dow is still down more than 80 points, 60 points or 80 points, it just says sideways to slightly down. I anticipate coming up for next week. And if it's up 60 or 80 points, it says, you know what? Even though it's a trading range, you're now building a really strong base of support. Just be a little careful, be very selective. I don't think this is a time to panic. This is a time to be looking for bargains over the next 3 weeks. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay tuned for Larry.